coolest gadget you can buy on Amazon. In a world where technology evolves at the speed of light, keeping up with the latest gadgets can transform your daily life, making it more convenient, efficient, and enjoyable. Amazon, a giant marketplace, offers a treasure trove of such innovations. Vivisbite Healer. Imagine enjoying a lovely evening outdoors, and then you feel it, the dreaded mosquito bite. Vivisbite Healer is here to change how you react to that scenario. This small portable gadget uses thermopulse technology that delivers heat and vibration to the affected area, increasing blood flow and circulation, which helps to soothe the itch and reduce swelling remarkably fast. The beauty of the Vivisbite Healer lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. No more creams, no more sprays, just a quick application of this device can provide relief from the irritation of bites from mosquitoes, fleas, and other common insects. It's particularly ideal for families with children who are more sensitive to insect bites, or for individuals who prefer a non-chemical approach to bite treatment. Small enough to carry in your pocket or backpack, it's a must-have for camping trips, hikes, and outdoor adventures. Draft Top Lift. The Draft Top Lift is a gadget that redefines your drinking experience, particularly if you are a fan of canned beverages. This innovative tool safely removes the entire top of a beverage can, transforming it into a cup. It's an excellent tool for those who dislike drinking from a small opening, allowing aromas to escape and enhancing the flavor of your drink, be it a craft beer or a soft drink. What sets the Draft Top Lift apart is not just its functionality, but also its design. Engineered for simplicity and safety, it smoothly separates the top without creating sharp edges, making your canned drinks safer and more enjoyable. This gadget is perfect for BBQs, picnics, and family gatherings, making it easier for everyone to enjoy their drinks without the hassle of finding glasses. It's a conversation starter and a nifty piece of engineering that beer enthusiasts and casual soda drinkers alike will appreciate. Flora LED Floor Plant. The Flora LED floor plant combines home decor with technology, bringing vibrant life into any room. This isn't just any plant. It's a meticulously designed LED-infused plant that can light up in various colors, controlled via an app on your phone. This gadget offers a dual purpose, the natural beauty of a plant along with customizable mood lighting. Flora's capability to change colors and intensity based on your mood or the desired ambience makes it a fantastic addition to modern homes. Whether you need a calming green to relax after a long day or a warm orange to liven up a party, Flora adapts to your needs. Moreover, for those who struggle with keeping plants alive, this LED plant requires no watering or sunlight, offering the perfect blend of nature and technology with zero maintenance. Yanko Design Smart Teapot. Tea lovers, rejoice! The Yanko Design Smart Teapot brings a high-tech upgrade to your tea-making ritual. This smart teapot not only brews your perfect cup but also integrates with your smartphone to remember your preferences and control the brewing strength and temperature, ensuring each cup is just as you like it. The Smart Teapot by Yanko Design isn't just about functionality. It's about transforming an everyday routine into a luxurious experience. With its sleek, modern design, it's a statement piece for any kitchen counter. Plus, the ability to set schedules means you can wake up to a freshly brewed pot of tea every morning, exactly to your taste without lifting a finger. It's a perfect blend of tradition and modernity, making it a delightful gift for yourself or a fellow tea enthusiast. AccuMount Tools Keyhole Companion Marking Tool Set. Ever tried hanging a picture frame or wall decor and ended up with multiple unnecessary holes in the wall because it wasn't aligned right? The AccuMount Tools Keyhole Companion is your solution. This clever gadget helps you mark exactly where to place your nails or screws, taking out all the guesswork and ensuring your frames hang perfectly the first time. This tool is especially useful for DIY enthusiasts or anyone who loves to keep their home decor fresh. It's not just about saving the wall from multiple drill holes. It's about precision and the satisfaction of getting the job done right. With the AccuMount Keyhole Companion, hanging items become so simple that redecorating a room won't feel like a chore, but an enjoyable project. Fellow M3. In the world of mobile accessories, the Fellow M3 stands out as a minimalist, yet highly functional magnetic phone mount for your car. It attaches securely to your dashboard, allowing you to snap your phone in place magnetically without the clunkiness of traditional phone holders. The sleek design means it blends in with the car's interior rather than sticking out. What makes the Fellow M3 essential for every driver is not just its functionality, but also its safety features. By providing easy access to GPS navigation and hands-free calls without distracting you from the road, it ensures a safer driving experience. It's a gadget that proves powerful features can come in elegant, unobtrusive designs, making each car trip smoother and safer. Liftive Cyberone all-in-one sit-standing gaming desk. Transitioning now to a gadget that redefines comfort and convenience in gaming or work setups. The Liftive Cyberone stands out. This all-in-one sit-standing desk is not just about ergonomic comfort, but is also equipped with built-in features like a wireless charging pad, USB ports, and customizable RGB lighting. Whether you're a gamer who marathons through sessions or a professional who spends long hours at the desk, the Cyberone offers the flexibility to switch between sitting and standing, promoting better posture and energy flow. The Liftive Cyberone's robust build quality and tech-integrated features make it a centerpiece for any modern workspace or gaming setup. The convenience of adjusting the desk height with a simple touch, coupled with its connectivity options, ensures that everything you need is at your fingertips, seamlessly blending functionality with health benefits. Lexbonic Chair. Imagine a chair that isn't just a place to sit, but an extension of your body. The Lexbonic Chair offers just that, a wearable chair that promises to change how you think about resting. Whether you're in a long queue, working in a lab, or at a standing desk, the Lex allows you to sit without the need for a traditional chair. It's designed to ensure posture alignment and reduce the strain on your legs and back. The Lexbonic Chair is a revolutionary design that combines portability with the support of ergonomic seating. Its lightweight, collapsible structure means it can be carried anywhere, providing a new level of freedom and flexibility to its users. For anyone who has faced the discomfort of standing for long periods, the Lex offers a futuristic, practical solution, showcasing how innovation can directly enhance our daily comfort and health. Boio Book Light. For the avid readers out there, the Boio Book Light offers a unique solution to the age-old problem of reading in dim light without disturbing others. This stylish, effective book light provides focused illumination directly on the pages, enhancing visibility and reducing eye strain. Its clever design allows for hands-free reading, and the light intensity can be adjusted to suit your environment, whether you're in bed, on a plane, or in a tent. What sets the Boio apart is its dedication to the comfort and convenience of readers. It's not just about providing light, it's about creating an optimal reading experience. The soft, adjustable light ensures that you can immerse yourself in your book without harsh glare or shadows. It's a gadget that respects the reader's space and adds a touch of luxury to the simple pleasure of reading. Palmo Speaker. Bring music to life wherever you go with the Palmo Speaker. This expandable, portable Bluetooth speaker delivers powerful, high-quality sound that defies its compact size. Perfect for travel, parties, or everyday enjoyment at home, the Palmo provides versatility and performance that music lovers will appreciate. What makes the Palmo speaker stand out is its collapsible design, which enhances its bass capabilities when expanded. It's not just portable, it's smart, with the ability to connect to another Palmo for stereo sound, making it an excellent choice for those who appreciate the depth and clarity in their music. The speaker is a testament to how modern technology can pack immense power into small, expandable gadgets that bring sound to your fingertips. Novium Hoverpen 3.0. Step into the future of writing instruments with the Novium Hoverpen 3.0. More than just a pen, this beautifully crafted piece balances and spins vertically, defying gravity. It's a marvel of engineering that stands as a work of art on your desk, making writing a joy and inspiration. The Hoverpen 3.0 isn't just about aesthetics. It's designed for an exceptional writing experience. Its ergonomic build ensures comfort, and its smooth ink flow makes writing seamless. This pen is perfect for professionals, designers, and anyone who values craftsmanship and the tactile pleasure of writing. It's a reminder of how even the most everyday tools can be transformed into something extraordinary. JexGo Fireproof Backpack 2.0. In an unpredictable world, being prepared is key, and the JexGo Fireproof Backpack 2.0 ensures that you are always ready. This isn't just any backpack. It's built to withstand extreme conditions, offering fireproof and water-resistant protection for your most valuable items, whether it's electronics, important documents, or emergency gear. The practicality of the JexGo Fireproof Backpack goes beyond its protective features. It's designed with organization and accessibility in mind, making it ideal for daily commutes, travel, or emergency situations. Its durable construction means it can handle the rigors of everyday use, while its sleek design keeps you in style. It's a backpack for those who demand durability and preparedness in one smart package. Jetson One. The Jetson One redefines personal transportation, offering a real-life flying experience. This personal aerial vehicle is compact, electric, and designed for the skies, providing a unique blend of technology and thrill. Imagine bypassing traffic and soaring over landscapes, all while seated in your own personal aircraft. The Jetson One is not just about fun, it's a glimpse into the future of transportation. With safety features that include automatic stabilization and emergency systems, it offers an accessible way to fly. For enthusiasts of technology and aviation, the Jetson One is a step towards a future where personal flight is not just a fantasy but a viable mode of travel. PetLibro Air Feeder. Pet owners will find the PetLibro Air Feeder a game-changer for pet care. This automatic pet feeder not only dispenses food according to your set schedules, but also features an innovative airtight system to keep the food fresh. It's perfect for those with busy schedules, ensuring that your pets are fed on time, every time, with the freshest possible kibble. Beyond its functionality, the PetLibro Air Feeder is designed with pets' health in mind. The controlled portions help maintain a healthy diet, preventing overfeeding, and the feeder's ease of use makes it a beloved gadget for pet owners. It embodies the blend of technology and care, making pet ownership a little easier and a lot more reliable. Kenji Flip Clock. Take a step back in time with the Kenji Flip Clock, which combines vintage aesthetics with contemporary design. This clock doesn't just tell time. It does so with a flair that makes it a striking addition to any room. With each passing minute, the flip cards fall beautifully, providing a visual and auditory treat. The Kenji Flip Clock is perfect for those who appreciate the elegance of analog in the digital age. Its charming design brings a nostalgic touch to homes or offices, while its robust build ensures longevity. It's more than a timepiece. It's a conversation starter and a testament to timeless design in a fast-paced world. Unihertz Tank 3. The Unihertz Tank 3 is a smartphone built to endure extreme conditions, ideal for adventurers, construction workers, and anyone who needs a device that can withstand rough handling. Its rugged build protects against drops, dust, and water, making it virtually indestructible. But it's not all about toughness. The Tank 3 also packs powerful performance and all the essential features of a modern smartphone. This device proves that you don't have to sacrifice functionality for durability. With its long-lasting battery, high-resolution camera, and smooth operating system, the Tank 3 meets the demands of intensive use without breaking a sweat. It's a phone that lets you work hard and play hard, no matter where you are. Hyperwhistle. For those who value safety and need an effective way to attract attention in emergencies, the Hyperwhistle is a vital tool. Claiming to be the world's loudest whistle, it can be heard from over 2 miles away, making it essential for hikers, coaches, and emergency responders. Its high decibel output ensures that you can draw attention when it matters most. The Hyperwhistle is not just loud, it's also designed to be used in all weather conditions, from freezing cold to sweltering heat. Its durability and ease of use make it a reliable safety tool for anyone's emergency kit. Whether you're leading a team in a sports event or trekking in the wilderness, the Hyperwhistle stands ready to ensure you're heard. Subminimal Nanofoamer V2. Coffee enthusiasts who love their milk with a velvety texture will find the Subminimal Nanofoamer V2 a delightful addition to their coffee-making toolkit. This gadget allows you to create barista-level microfoamed milk at home, perfect for lattes, cappuccinos, and other milk-based beverages. The Nanofoamer makes it easy to achieve that smooth, creamy consistency the coffee lovers adore. What makes the Nanofoamer stand out is its simplicity and efficiency. Unlike bulky, expensive milk steamers, this compact device delivers exceptional results with minimal fuss and cleanup. It's designed for coffee aficionados who appreciate the art of a perfectly crafted cup and want to replicate the cafe experience in the comfort of their own kitchen. Halocool Mini Desktop Vacuum Cleaner. Keeping your workspace clean is now a breeze with the Halocool Mini Desktop Vacuum Cleaner. This tiny but mighty gadget is perfect for picking up dust, crumbs, and small debris from your desk, keyboard, or crafting area. Its small size makes it highly portable and easy to store, ideal for maintaining cleanliness in your personal workspace. The Halocool Mini isn't just about practicality. It's also about adding a fun and functional piece to your desk. Its cute design and efficient cleaning power make it a popular choice for anyone who values a tidy environment. This mini vacuum cleaner exemplifies how small innovations can make everyday tasks more enjoyable and less of a chore. Flynova Drone. For drone enthusiasts and beginners alike, the Flynova Drone offers an interactive flying experience that is both entertaining and easy to master. This spherical drone is designed to be thrown and caught, making it a fun gadget for all ages. Its safety features and durable design allow for worry-free indoor and outdoor play. The Flynova Drone is not just about fun. It's about enhancing motor skills and engaging in active play. Whether you're playing catch with friends or practicing your drone piloting skills, the Flynova provides a dynamic and enjoyable way to explore the possibilities of drone technology. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.